Hello folks, it's Driver Films on the Driver Films Shortwave channel, and today I'm going to be demonstrating Echolink, which is an app which enables amateur radio operators to communicate to each other using their PCs or mobile phones. This is just me on the mobile phone aspect of it. I have tried to sort Echolink on my PC, but I'm having trouble configuring the firewall on the router setup, so this is just going to be on the phone. If you're not an amateur radio operator, unfortunately you won't be able to use it. You need a license, and if you do have a license, you need to send it off to Echolink. I'll link Echolink website in the description. So let's get on to it. This phone's running Android 7. It did work with my previous phone, which was running Android 4.4, I think it was, so I had no difficulties anyway, so if you're running that, this with Android, you should be fine. Also available on as well as Android, it is available on Apple. So when we first go into it, you've got some options: echo test, location, node types, and recent QSOs. Also adjust the settings, which you can sort your audio out, and if there's a beep at the end of somebody else's transmission. You can send lines of text, and that's what QSO you're currently in. So first let's look on the echo test. It's a server where you can set up your audio, make sure your audio is coming through fine. You can just use the microphone on the phone, or if you've got like an external headset thing, you can use that. So let's connect to it.
Welcome to the Echolink test server. This server records your transmissions and plays them back to help you adjust your transmitted and received audio. Please feel free to connect as often as you like.
So what we do, we're going to hit the transmit button. Brings up the microphone, so you can say, "This is a radio check 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1." Tap the mic to stop transmitting.
Brings up the microphone, so you can say, "This is a radio check 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1."
And there you go, so we know that's working. Let's hit end. Ding dong. So what else can you use with Echolink? So you can search by location. So Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, Oceania, that's on Australia, South America. So let's look at Europe. European countries, let's select United Kingdom. Then it will give you a list of reflectors, repeaters and nodes. So you can find a repeater, so that's Margate, Maltby, South Yorkshire, etc. So as that, you can put a search in, so GB7. So the GB7 SI is my local one, internet linked repeater. So if you don't want to do it that way, you can do an alternative search. Nope, don't just connect to that. Node types, links or repeaters. So you can search for all the repeaters in the world, or use the search function. You can do it by users. So if you've got a friend who's connected, you can connect directly to them. You can also search for repeaters. There are some interesting ones that are being set up. There's the NASA one still there. There was one when they had the recent bad weather over in America. You can search for that and it will just give weather information. Yeah, space shuttle audio.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
And apparently with this, you set up a feed from the NASA space shuttle audio. I've never heard anything on this, but it's muted, so I can't transmit on that. There was a weather warnings one, don't think that'll be active anymore. So it is quite useful. If you have it on your phone, it's quite good because you can take your phone anywhere with you and you can use it that way. Now a lot of people think, well, is it really amateur radio? Because effectively it's all over the internet. Well, it still is amateur radio, because if you think about it, with DMR radio, that digitises your voice, it goes into an internet linked repeater, your voice travels around the internet and outputs on other repeaters that are internet linked. Also with amateur radio, you've got internet linked relays, internet gateways like MB7IVT. So
trying to work out. Yeah, I'm using the left control key, which works most of the time. Drag something, a click with it.
so these two should be, if I can get the signal.
I'm not quite sure how you do it. I just increase the double tap time.
So
It should then lock on, and he doesn't have to half stop. But it didn't work for me. But I haven't personally tried it. But it does work.
so effectively with that is, this uses just RF. It's not DMR or anything like that. That's connected to the internet linked gateway, which then can be picked up with DMR radio, and you can also pick it up with Echolink. So it's all nicely linked together. It does have the added benefit if you're not near to a repeater. So if you're too far from a repeater and you can't use your radios, you can use this, providing you've got an internet connection. Have I used this before? I've only used it once or twice. Yeah, I've used it twice. Speaking to my friend Jordan over in Northern Ireland, we connected to a repeater in Brazil, and we kind of joked that it is the longest QSO for the shortest distance or something daft like that. We were physically closer to each other than we were to the repeater, and it was quite. I did make a joke that somebody in Brazil might be monitoring the repeater and then wondering why. How can two English-speaking people in the United Kingdom be speaking to each other through a repeater in Brazil? So that's it. That's the basic overview of Echolink. What I do want to do at some point is let's see what's actually happening on this one. Yep. So what I actually do want to do at some point is have a QSO via Echolink. So if you have Echolink installed and you want a QSO, drop me a message and we'll try and set something up. Just talk about random stuff or show the connectivity you can have with Echolink. And until next time, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave the thumbs up. I'll leave links to the description for Echolink if you want to learn more about it. And until the next video, thanks for watching. 73 and good DX. Catch you in the next one.